We're back to learn JavaScript. Let me actually show you a use case with what we've learned so far, because sometimes ReGex are used to replace words. For example, let me define a simple text variable. I call it check out my JavaScript videos. And now we want to check the text and then replace something in it. Let me just call this rep. I use text and then I use .replace, regular brackets, and the replace method can now use these regular expressions. I use slashes, and inside I want to search for JavaScript. So if the text contains the word, I want to replace that. So I add a comma afterwards, and then I'll just add coding. So our new text would be check out my coding videos. And now let me print it out so that we can see it. It was the rep value, and here it is now. So check out my coding videos. JavaScript was replaced using this method, and in simple terms, it used the ReGex to find it. And in the last video, I've talked about the I flag. Why is it important? Or we can simply explain it. Well, in this specific example, JavaScript might be written like this. So with a lower cap s, and then it can't find it anymore. When we add the I flag here, I refresh. Now it could be found, and then it was replaced with coding. Then we mix that up a little bit, and you can see this still runs. So thanks to adding the I after the slash, the case sensitivity was basically turned off. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.